You mentioned that the pickles will be in Corvallis tomorrow night, so about 25 hours from now. Down there, it's a little bit hotter than even up here in Portland, so tomorrow night might be the same.
Yeah, we'll definitely be flirting with triple digits tomorrow for Corvallis.
Thanks for that.
So.
Up on the diamond and everywhere.
Yeah, drink the water, wear the hats, sunscreen. Yeah, you know all the things to keep yourself cool, as that sunshine has been in abundance today and over the past couple of days here across the Pacific Northwest. A snapshot of where our temperatures currently sit: Corvallis at 101, just the same for Salem, 102 for Vancouver, as those triple digits are trying to close in on the Portland area. And Hillsborough, slightly cooler thanks to the abundance of grasses and trees out that direction. 96 degrees is where you currently sit, with nearly 80 degrees found out along the shoreline. A live look here across the Pacific Northwest. No clouds in sight. That's allowing for that summer sunshine to bake much of western Oregon and southwest Washington, seen very much so similar on our radar and satellite. But the National Weather Service keeping that extreme heat warning in place through 10 o'clock tomorrow night. Heat advisories as well over the high terrain of the Coast Range and for some of our coastal communities, as heat-related illnesses are at an all-time high. So we can talk about the terminology, but how do the numbers shake out? We are talking about 97 to 105 degrees. Still a possibility for Tuesday afternoon and evening, as very little relief from the heat is expected tonight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures likely only falling back to about 70 degrees in many cases. So yes, this is not our first round of heat. It is summer. We expect to see these hot temperatures, but staying hydrated, wearing the light colored loose-fitting clothing, and taking the frequent breaks indoors is going to be a must to reduce your threat of heat-related illnesses. And we are quickly approaching the average of 15 days in the 90s for a summer season. Right now, our grand total is at 13, including today. We have yet to touch the triple-digit mark, at least for us here out towards PDX. The rest of our area already squeezing out some of those triple digits even for today, as the ridge of high pressure, the culprit for the high heat, starts to push its way a little bit further off to the west, allowing for the jet stream to sag a little further to the south, still keeping us warm through the middle of the week as we prepare for this trough of cooler and potentially rainier air to move its way back into western Oregon and southwest Washington. That will allow for the pendulum to swing aggressively from the upper 90s to near triple digits, not breaking records tomorrow, but then swinging down into the low 70s as we approach the end of the week and the start of next week. Below average, that average being 83. But if you're trying to keep that long green, as so many of us are, the sunshine will be in abundance tomorrow, but make sure that you are not running your sprinklers during the peak heat of the day, because that can burn the grass, and also you lose a lot of the water due to evaporation as those temperatures flirt with the triple-digit mark. Our futurecast does show those skies are going to remain cloud-free for your Tuesday. The marine layer starts to pick up a little bit more along the coastline for the start of the day Wednesday. That's when an onshore flow starts to take hold, helping to cool us down for the valley. But on the east side of the Cascades, that's going to create an increase in fire conditions, all as the hot, dry conditions still remain out towards the east. Tonight here in the Rose City, 70 degrees is where we fall to. A snapshot of that Coin 6 weather alert that's in place tomorrow. For much of our area, triple digits, very much so a possibility, but that makes for some great pool weather for tomorrow afternoon and evening for the Portland, Vancouver area. That's one way to stay cool, as that Coin 6 weather alert is set to expire tomorrow evening. That's where those temperatures will start to take a bit of a tumble, over 10 degrees, mid-80s for us Wednesday, low 80s by Thursday. And then as that rain potential returns Friday, Saturday, that's where we cool things down to the low to mid-70s. But 1 week from today, we're talking about drier, sunnier skies, temperatures close to 80.
Ooh, okay. Nice 70s. And mild.
Nice and mild. We just got to make it through the next 24 hours.
All right. Thanks,
Keep
Josh.
it here.